Hello, what's up? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. This is Diane. Welcome to Tech with Diane. If you're new on this channel, please consider to subscribe. We focus on programming, especially with Django. We do a lot of Django things, and I'm ready to give out my knowledge to you. So, all right. So to begin with, someone asked me a question: how can I create Django project for the first time? So in this video, I'm just going to simply demonstrate you how easily you can create Django project, and it should be created in a virtual environment. All right. So to proceed from here, you need your terminal. Terminal is where you're going to run your commands. You can run it with Visual Studio commands in it, or you can have any terminal that you prefer. Can be PowerShell terminal, can be Git Bash terminal, can be CMD terminal. So I'm just going to use Git Bash. That's my favorite one. I like that. So I'm going to create my Django project using Git Bash, right? Okay. Then for me to begin with, simple, I need to create a folder. I'm just going to call this folder I'm just going to call this folder Django. I want to write in capital, just like upper Django Pro. Okay, Django demo, something like that. I should just call it like that, Django demo. So I need to right click on my project and open it with Git Bash. And one more thing, if you're interested to use Git Bash, you should just go to git.com and install your Git Bash. Like if you install Git, it will just be installed in your thing. But yeah, let me show you how you can easily install that. You can go to Git and download this. Download the version that you like. If you're on Windows, you can, if you're using 32 bits or 64 bits, and then you just install that, you will have your terminal there. All right. So, okay. So let's proceed from here, and then I've already have my Git Bash terminal open. Then I've opened my Django demo project in my Git Bash. So if you see here, if I can list, if I list items here, and then I have nothing. Now one thing now I need to say from here is I need to create a virtual environment. The importance of virtual environment is if you have bunch of projects that you're working on, let's say different Django projects, then if you install all your dependencies, the modules on your global environment, it's going to be causing conflicts for you to be working on. Some of the dependencies have different versions, in others you want to use different versions, so that's going to the safe way is to create a virtual environment. So to create a virtual environment, you need to type Python. Make sure Python is installed on your computer. You say Python -m virtual environment VNV and the virtual environment name. For my case, I'm just going to call it VNV again, and then I hit enter. It takes time to create itself. Sometimes depends on the speed of your computer. If I list, you can see I have virtual environment folder here. Now I need to activate this virtual environment. So I'm going to say .virtual environment script. I go in the script file, and then I'm going to say activate, then hit enter. Then if you see the virtual environment name that you created here in the right left side of your directory from your root directory here, which means your virtual environment is active. So from here you can now install a bunch of things that you need to use. For example, we're going to install Django Then after that, using pip, then we shall now create project in it. So to install it, I'm going to say pip install Django, like that, then hit enter. Then you can see my Django is installing inside my virtual environment. Yeah, and now I do have my Django installed. To confirm whether your Django is really installed, you can just check the version. You'll say Django admin -- version. Then you can see we have Django version 5.1.6 version installed. Alright, so if I type Django only, nothing happens. That command doesn't work. So if I type Django -admin, then I'm seeing different bunch of commands that we are going to use. The one I'm so much interested is I'm interested on this one. These two are the most important when you're start project and start an app. These are the most important ones, right? So let me clear my terminal. That looks so. To start in a project, now I do need to say I need to type the command to be like Django -admin start project. Then the project name, we can call it demo project, but you can give it any name that fits your work you're doing. So it's Django admin start project, the project name, which is, I just call it demo project. Then you can see yeah, if I list that, then I have the Django project folder created here. So if I cd stands for change directory. If I go inside that directory of demo, then you can see inside I have a bunch of files for this project. But now if you check this manage.py is a folder that's used for running your Django commands. For example, you want to run the server, you want to collect the static files, then this is the most important file for running those commands. So if you've so far reached this level, then you have created your Django project. So let me see. I'm going to run Python run Django run server to see if our server can run, because we so far created a virtual environment, we create the project, then we want to run the server so that whether our Django project is successful created. So I'm just going to type Python manage.py run server. There you go. Now we have a server running on this URL at port of 8000. So now what you need to do is just copy this, or make sure it's running. Copy this, and then go to open your browser and paste that just here. Then you can see Django was installed successful. The installed Django worked successful. Congratulations. So now I need to open this project on Visual Studio Code, right? So I just need to type code, then it should open for me Visual Studio Code. Oh, that was some project I was working on. Either way to open it will be you go here, your folder where it was, you create, you open it with Visual Studio Code. Then you can see the folders that we have here. We have the manage.py file that I created is here. It's mainly used for running the commands as I explained earlier. Then if you come to the folder of the Django project, you can see we have the setting files, the Django setting file, then we have other files. So in the next video, this is how easily you can create Django project. Thank you for watching. Please, if you like this video, consider subscribe, and I will keep coming up with the new videos like this. Thank you.